In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS lawnmower. This guide can be followed for 20-inch and 21-inch GREENWORKS push lawnmowers with folding handles and lower lock knobs. Please take a moment to inspect your lawnmower to ensure that this video relates to your unit. We will be featuring a 40-volt lawnmower. However, this guide can be followed for all push mowers with this handle style. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however these instructions still apply. Warning, this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any packing material and loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Cut the zip ties holding the handles together. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Secure the lower handle. Be advised, the upper handle is attached to a unit by a wire. When setting aside, be careful not to damage this wire. Pull the knob on the lower handle to unlock the handle. The handle can be locked in at different positions depending on the user height. Lift the handle upward and line up the handle knob with one of the 3 positions located on the bracket. Pull the handle knob and insert the pin into the hole on the bracket to lock it in place. Make sure that both sides are at the same height. Install the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed knobs and bolts. Align the holes in the upper and lower handles. Insert the bolts through the holes and tighten the knobs on each side. Secure the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you have a tool-only or corded lawnmower, you have completed assembly. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.